Hello, today we're going to be going over how to submit an internship for credit through Handshake. So the first thing we're going to do is start the process by going up here and clicking on experiences. Since I haven't submitted an experience yet, I'll click on submit a new experience. When filling out the form, it's important to make sure all the information is as complete and accurate as possible. First, you'll need to provide details about when you're completing the internship and some basic information about your employer. Next, you want to fill out the information regarding your job. Remember that the start and end dates of your internship must fall within the dates of Emerson's academic calendar. If your internship is unpaid, simply enter your salary as 0. Then, you'll fill out information about your supervisor. If you're selecting the 4-credit or 8-credit option, keep in mind your internship must last a minimum of 10 weeks. Make sure to select the internship course that corresponds with your major. For example, I'm a VMA major, so I'll choose the VMA internship course. Also, if you'll be working a range of hours, the lowest number of hours must meet the minimum hour requirement for your intended credits. If you have any concerns about your internship, enter them in the box here. Now let's move on to the next page. On this page, review each question carefully. Ensure you've completed all the steps and click yes after completing each task. You must also write and input your personal essay in the provided box. We're almost done. Don't forget, after you submit the application, upload your official job offer letter or job description by using the new attachment button while in edit mode. After hitting OK, all that's left to do is submit. After submission, your application will go through a screening process, which can take 7 to 10 business days. The internship coordinator will reach out if they need any further information from you. Good luck!